Hi. Alright, I'm starting off from my apartment. As you can see, it's very foggy and it's kind of cold too. It's probably going to be a little bit of an uncomfortable ride until I get the heat going a little bit. We'll see how it goes. The plan is to go to it's outside of Dubai. It's outside of Dubai along a dirt track. It's not dirt track, dirt road. That's the plan. It should take about 40 minutes to get there, and then I'll ride for as long as I can. It's kind of funny because I used to walk along this before any of this was here. In fact, I think the only thing here where I'm at right now is a sidewalk. They built the wall and the sidewalk before they started building the buildings. This video that I'm making this morning is some of the places I like to go bike riding. I'm right now on a service road about 10 kilometers from where I live. As you can see, it's pretty much desert. Unfortunately, you can't see very much just because of the fog. Fortunately, though, it looks like the fog is lifting, and in a little while you'll be able to see what it's actually like. I'm still in the city. I'm not out of the city, but I'm kind of in that middle area. There's some growth that's going on behind me, and then the major city is behind the camera right now. Right now this is in transition. They're doing some construction over on that side, and probably in 5 to 10 years this will all be buildings and major streets. For now though, it makes for a good bike ride. The sand can be deep. Right now the sand is kind of wet. It's not really wet, but it's moist and it's getting in the gears of the bike and the brakes. I'm probably gonna have to find some way to clean them out before I go any further. But other than that, this is one of the things I like to do. Hopefully the sun will come up and you'll be able to see what it's usually like though. have much more to say. Pretty much I'm getting ready to turn and go back towards my apartment. But I want to leave the camera going. Don't know if I'll leave it in a full video, but to me this is interesting. So, the bushes, power lines, maybe even soothing if you listen to the gravel underneath the wheels. So I don't know if there's much more to say. This is a slice of my life, and I love it.